Want to know how to generate music using OpenVineo? So if you don't know, OpenVineo is a plugin, a really interesting plugin in Audacity that helps you to separate music and also create them by using AI tools. So we have also created a video on how to install OpenVineo, so make sure to watch it. Now once you have done that, generating music from OpenVineo is super simple. So you can just simply open up your Audacity application and you should be provided with this interface right here. And now on the top navigation bar you should be seeing generate, that should be right beside it. So just simply select it. And now once you selected it, here you should be seeing OpenVineo music generation. Just simply select it. And now once you have selected OpenVineo music generation, here you should be seeing your duration. We have kept it 30 seconds for now. And now we can also select a model with a cron. So right here it's super effective and really interesting. I'm just going to keep it as default right here. You can also encode, you can also select the encoding and decoding device. I suggest to keep it on GPU, and once you're done, you can just simply select generate right here. And after a while, it might take a while according to your device, but your music will be generated in no time. And after that is done, you should be good to go. You can just simply see or preview the music. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.